Hi, my name is Bill Giard. I'm the CTO for the IT Transformation Organization with the Data Center Group at Intel. Today I want to talk to you about what we're seeing in the enterprise, some of the trends, what they're going through, some of the challenges, and how hybrid cloud is really helping them address those challenges. Enterprises are really going through a rapid transformation with increased data growth, a need for improving solutions and capabilities to market, and really reducing costs across the board to really enable the shift from operations and running the business to growing the business and innovation. So we're seeing a 50% growth in enterprise compute demand alone, and only a 3% growth in budgets. That's forcing organizations to look at their infrastructure, optimize what they're doing, and deploy new sets of capabilities to respond to that increasing need. So we see enterprise organizations really pursuing a hybrid cloud infrastructure and rapidly evolving their infrastructure to address several key challenges. The first being just driving further operational improvements, shifting from operational maintenance and running the business to growing the business and innovation, and really driving new revenue opportunities for the company that they're supporting. The second area that IT organizations are really driving infrastructure improvements to enable is really time to market and agility. Getting capabilities deployed faster, more efficient, really driving those new business models and capabilities into production as fast as they can. And the third area that really is important to all organizations is protecting against cybersecurity threats. The increased risk of data breach through misconfiguration, infrastructure issues, and really hardening the environment throughout the entire infrastructure and solution stack to be able to protect the data and their customer information. So what do we mean by hybrid cloud? We really mean giving the ability for an IT organization to deploy solutions to an on-premises cloud environment as well as a publicly hosted environment. That gives them the ability to shift between the two and really enable their business where it makes the most sense. Organizations are pursuing hybrid cloud differently now as they've really matured in their understanding of the opportunity. Deploying capabilities externally in software as a service-based solution, and then on-premises with capabilities that really drive differentiation and help them protect their data, integrate with existing environments, and really extend the years of investment that they've made to enable their IT organization and line of business. Over 2/3 of IT organizations have deployed a hybrid cloud today, and we see the trend increasing. Over 85% of organizations are pursuing multiple cloud environments, both on-premises as well as external public solutions. So one of the top challenges that many organizations face is, where do I run my solution? Do I run it in the public cloud? Do I run it on an on-premises private cloud solution? And really, hybrid cloud gives you the ability to use both. And there are really, four key characteristics that we see most organizations, looking at when they're deciding, where do I run my solution? The first and really top driver that most organizations have is security. How do I protect my data? How do I understand, the ability to implement, security technologies to be able to make sure that the solution is running in the most protected way fashion, protecting intellectual property, protecting employee and customer information, and really making sure that the environment really is the safest it can be. Data size becomes an important element when considering, do I land it on-premises or in a public environment? As data grows, it becomes expensive to manage, and server-based storage solutions in a hybrid cloud becomes a fantastic way to be able to grow your data and then drive new capabilities and leverage that information to gain insights and make business decisions. Performance becomes a key consideration, and it's not only performance of the infrastructure itself, whether it's low latency, high memory bandwidth, but also performance in relation to where your end user is consuming the application. And so performance, where you land the application has really critical importance to how it serves your business needs. Whether it's design engineers locally, sales teams globally, those are really key considerations for many organizations. Integration becomes a key consideration as you're looking at, how do I move an application? Not only interfaces to other things, almost no application in the enterprise is a standalone. And so be able to understand how you leverage those things in an ERP environment or different kinds of capability becomes a key important element to understanding, hey, where should I land this capability, either on-premises or in a public cloud environment? So at Intel, we're happy to say we're optimizing our capabilities to really, enable those new lines of businesses. So there are several key benefits of pursuing a hybrid cloud environment for an IT organization. The first really is taking advantage of faster ability to manage and deploy sets of solutions. So with the software-defined infrastructure, you get software-based provisioning and deployment to really go from weeks to days to even minutes in deployment. Another benefit for HyperCloud is really just the improved operational efficiencies, the cost savings you get for your operational teams being able to manage a common infrastructure and move away from dedicated, committed, siloed environments to one that can really support a heterogeneous environment from a workload. We're happy to say that 98% of the cloud runs on Intel today, and we're looking at those usage models and learning from that and continuing those collaborations, both on-premise and in the public cloud, to really further optimize and deliver additional capabilities for our end users. I'm super excited with the new Intel Xeon processor scalable family. It really brings hybrid cloud capabilities to the next level. And I'm excited to say the new Xeon family delivers dramatic improvements in virtualization performance, helps organizations address a variety of workloads, improve efficiencies across the stack, and deliver security capabilities that help protect their data. So one of the most powerful elements of a hybrid cloud is really the ability to run multiple sets of applications and workloads on a common set of infrastructure. Really future-proofing, one implementation to be able to adapt to what organizations are responding to. This is where virtualization performance becomes critical. They have to support the existing set of applications on traditional operating systems while growing into new cloud-native emerging microservices and web applications. With the improved performance of virtualization, you can get more VMs per instance and grow to new sets of capabilities. With the Xeon platform, we really can support a wide range of capabilities, from the most compute-intensive sets of applications to mainstream sets of capabilities and mission-critical environments that run their organization's business. With the new Xeon platform, there's a whole host of features that really enable enterprise organizations to respond to those variety of workloads. New, better, faster cores, higher memory bandwidth, faster I/O, really across-the-board improvements with respect to performance, efficiencies, and being able to support enterprise organizations where they need to run their business. With the rapid increase in security attacks happening in the enterprise environment, we're looking at the entire platform ecosystem to understand how can we deliver further protection controls for our customers. With the new Xeon platform, we're delivering security capabilities that improve protection controls at all layers of the environment, from the platform to the infrastructure to the data itself. HyperCloud on Intel architecture enables efficiencies at multiple levels, from power and compute efficiencies to operational efficiencies and infrastructure improvements. Intel's taking a holistic approach to improving hybrid cloud environments, from improved compute and app density to larger and faster memory access and improved network I/O and storage and more. Now is absolutely the right time to take advantage of the hybrid cloud opportunity. These capabilities are here and ready for you to deploy, and Intel is here to help.